Welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the ultimate party look. So first up, I'm using the Smart 4-in-1 Protection Primer. This is an amazing primer because it's very hydrating on the skin, but not only that, it's going to protect your skin from any makeup sitting in fine lines or open pores. Now after that, I'm using the Silky Touch foundation with the foundation brush. I'm just blending this in and it's really easy to use, gliding across your skin, hydrating it and giving you that amazing dewy natural finish. This is also a medium to full coverage foundation. So for my dark circles under my eyes, I love to keep it nice and light and bright, so I'm going to be using the concealer in colour medium. This is a really great creamy texture, again very hydrating on the skin and blends in seamlessly with the foundation brush. On top of that, I'm using the Natural Velvet Mineral Foundation Powder. Now what's really cool about this is you can use this on its own on just moisturised and primed skin. You can use this as a foundation in itself. It's going to give you a light to medium coverage. However, I'm using it on top of my foundation and concealer for a more full, heavier look. It also gets rid of any unwanted shine and gives you that beautiful velvet finish. Now for my eyebrows. I love this pencil because one side is a brush, so you can actually go through your brow hairs and keep them looking very neat and tidy, and the other side is a creamy pencil. So I'm just going to glide this across my eyebrows, creating that shape and enhancing the shape of my brow. This is smudge proof, so you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. My top tip is always go in the same directions as your brow hairs growing. This way you can get a really nice natural effect. Now onto the eyes. So to prime the eyes, first up I'm using Creamy eyeshadow in colour Desert. This is to help any eyeshadows last a lot longer, bring out the pigment and stops creasing. Now the first eyeshadow colour I'm using is No. 25 Savanna Sand with the eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going all across the lid with this, and it's really going to bring out the pigment. Now I'm using with the Blender brush, which is a round-headed brush, and this will help you give that really beautiful smoky effect. I'm using No. 28 Rainforest Wood, which is a beautiful chocolate brown colour with a golden undertone on the outside of my eyes to add a little bit more dimension. Once that's done, use No. 139 Forest Pearl with the Blender brush again. I'm using this over the top of the other pigments just to create a beautiful blended effect, and this is an amazing emerald green, so it's really going to give you that wow factor. Now I love highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. This is going to make your eyes appear bigger and give you that beautiful sparkle. So first up I'm going in with 906 Naked Matte. And then on top of that, I'm going for the loose eyeshadow in Moon Shimmer Gold Brown. This is an amazing shimmery pigment. You can even use this on your body and on your face to highlight, and it's going to give you that gorgeous gleaming effect. So underneath my eyes, to keep with that smoky effect, I'm going to be using No. 27 Urban Moss Pearl with the Blender brush and keeping it nice and smudgy and smoky under the eyes. Again, this is a lighter green, so it's going to add another dimension to this eye makeup look. On top of my lash line, I love using the quick, long-lasting liquid eyeliner. This is a smudge-proof product, really easy to use and has a very sharp tip, so you can get that perfect wing liner for that special evening. Once that's done, now I'm going to be using the exclusive eyeliner No. 18 Miracle Nude. This is an amazing colour to really brighten up your eyes and give that white back to them, creating a bigger effect, a lighter effect, and again something really special for that evening look. For my lashes, I love using Mascara Boost Plus. This is going to give you an amazing boost on your lashes. It's going to thicken them, lengthen them, and hold that curl into place. And I didn't even have to use eyelash curlers. That's how good it is. It's enriched with vitamins, so it's going to help nourish and hydrate your lashes for the evening. So I'm using Velvet Lip Liner. Now this is an amazing product because it is what it says. It's that velvet texture that's going to hydrate your lips, stop any cracking in your lips and give them a really smooth finish. It's an amazing nude colour and still gives your lips that great shape to them. So to finish off this look, I'm using Lipstick No. 104 Wild Safari Matte. This has got to be one of my favourite lipsticks from the range, and I'm using it with the lip brush. This is going to give me a bit more precision and help me keeping my lip shape nice and neat. Now to enhance the glow into my skin, I love using the powder bronzer duo with the powder brush. It's also got blusher in there on one side as well, so I can bronze up my skin whilst giving myself that beautiful flush of colour back in my cheeks. Now here we are, the perfect ultimate party look. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial and keep your eyes peeled for all of our other videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.